Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum and greetings and welcome to DIY Woodworking TV. You know what? I finished a lot of work today. I just revamped my storage and built a drill bit organizer, which you will see the video on, which you can watch the video on my channel, obviously. Now, I was calling it a day and I said, you know what? Let's clean up and let's go home. And then I saw something and I thought, you know what? I could build something really cool. Check this out. And this is going to my wall at my house. You wanna know how I made it? Check this little video out. Basically, I had a boat. I have a video on my channel. The RC boat was made for pranking, and then the boat became bad. It didn't work anymore. So this crocodile head was just laying around in my house, and I thought, you know what? I could turn it into a crocodile head trophy. Well, a little work and sweet results are ready. The blood effect. It's good enough to scare people while it's on the wall. I really don't like wasting things, and DIY means just ideas rushing into head, and you can make something really cool. Enjoy, and more DIY woodworking videos coming to my channel. Stay tuned, subscribe please, and like and share our videos.